Subject chemistry, chapter number 2, solution. Last lecture we will discuss on first colligative property, vapor pressure lowering. Then second colligative property, boiling point elevation. Firstly, boiling point elevation, it is denoted by symbol delta TB. Then firstly, what is mean by boiling point? Boiling point means the temperature at which vapor pressure is equal to atmospheric pressure. Generally, boiling point means the temperature at which liquid boils, but vapor pressure is equal to atmospheric. Then next, elevation of boiling point. Elevation means to raise or increase boiling point. Suppose definition, the difference between boiling point of solution and that of pure solvent at any given constant pressure is called elevation of boiling point. Suppose the boiling point of solution symbol T, then pure solvent T0, boiling point of pure solvent T0, 0 refers pure. Then at given pressure, constant pressure is equal to elevation of boiling point. Therefore, it is mainly difference between, definition is the difference between boiling point of solution symbol capital T and boiling point of pure solvent symbol T0. Then next, boiling point elevation as consequences of vapor pressure. Consequence means टू कॉज. कशामुळे बॉइलिंग पॉईंट ऑफ इलेव्हेशन हे कशामुळे होतं तर वेपर प्रेशरमुळे होतं. मग हे कशामुळे होतं? व्हाय बॉइलिंग पॉईंट ऑफ सोल्युशन इज हायर दॅन दॅट ऑफ प्युअर सॉल्वंट. सपोज ड्रॉ ग्राफ वेपर प्रेशर अगेन्स्ट टेम्परेचर. Then vapor pressure on y-axis, temperature on x-axis. Suppose vapor pressure of solution increases with temperature increase. Suppose solvent, vapor pressure of solvent is increase. Suppose AB graph, it is increase, and then this vapor pressure 1 atmosphere is equal to boiling point. This intersection, this temperature is T0B. T0B means vapor pressure of pure solvent, and then when add solute, suppose NaCl is added to this solution, then graph is increase. Suppose this 1 atmosphere, suppose graph CD, 1 atmosphere is intersect on this, this is TB, then this T0 and TB, it is called difference, it is called delta TB. Then why this is increases? Because first point, plot graph vapor pressure against temperature. Then next, curve of solution CD lies below that of solvent AB, vapor pressure increase. Suppose this CD, it is lies below the AB, hence vapor pressure it is decrease. Then interaction curve of CD with line 1 atmosphere is similar to interaction of AB. Then vapor pressure of solution is lower than that of pure solvent. Why? Because solution need to heat higher temperature to the boil than pure solvent. Hence vapor pressure of solution is increased by vapor pressure of pure solvent. Then next point, boiling point elevation and concentration of solute. Boiling point elevation symbol delta TB, and concentration means molality of solution. Solute it is refer for mass, hence it is depend on molality but not on molarity. Hence therefore elevation of boiling point is directly proportional to, this symbol it is directly proportional to small m. Small m कशा symbol आहे तर molality. Molality it is refer for mass of solvent, it is in kilogram. Suppose delta TB is equal to Kb into m. KB is proportionality constant, or where KB म्हणजेच काय म्हणतो आपण त्याला मोलल elevation constant, or it is also called ebullioscopic constant, or it is also called 1 molar solution. Then delta, suppose KB is equal to this m is divided by delta TB, then equation KB is equal to delta TB upon m. Then What is mean by 1 molar solution or ebullioscopic constant, or it is also called molar elevation constant? Definition काय दिली बघा. Ebullioscopic constant is elevation of boiling point produced by 1 molar solution. 1 molar solution means 1 gram solute is added to the which 1000 kilogram of solvent. This is called 1 molar solution. Then what is the unit of Kb? Kb means elevation constant, or it is also called ebullioscopic constant. Then Kb is equal to काय formula आपला delta Tb upon m. Delta Tb is measured in temperature, is measured in mostly Kelvin, but molality is measured in which? Mole kilogram inverse or mole per kilogram. Then this kilogram is -1, hence upper side काय मिळते? मोल किलोग्रॅम. सपोज केल्विन किलोग्रॅम मोल इनवर्स. मोल हे जे प्लसमध्ये ते वरती गेले काय होतील? -1. म्हणून युनिट काय त्याचं? युनिट ऑफ के बी इज केल्विन किलोग्रॅम पर मोल किंवा केल्विन किलोग्रॅम मोल इनवर्स. देन नेक्स्ट पॉईंट, रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन मोलर मास ऑफ सोल्यूट फ्रॉम इलेवेशन ऑफ बॉइलिंग पॉईंट. व्हॉट इज द रिलेशनशिप? Elevation of boiling point is directly proportional to which? Molality. Therefore, equation delta Tb is equal to Kb into m. Directly proportional means temperature increases, this molality is also increases. Then moles of solute. Moles of solute, moles is referred by small n symbol. Then small n means weight of solute divided by molar mass of solute, refer 2 and solvent refer 1. Hence moles of solute is equal to काय येईल मग फॉर्म्युला? W2 upon M2. W2 upon M2. Then mass of solvent is equal to W1 upon kilogram. But expression of molality. काय मोलॅलिटीचे डेफिनेशन? मोल्स ऑफ, इट इज द रेशो ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट टू मास ऑफ सॉल्वंट. मग मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट काय आपले? W2 अपॉन M2. मास ऑफ सॉल्वंट काय? W1 अपॉन 1000 किलोग्रॅम. देन सबस्टिट्यूट दिस व्हॅल्यू इन इक्वेशन 1. मग काय होईल इक्वेशन आपलं? M इज इक्वल टू W2 इंटू, सपोज दिस 1000 it is divided, change this numerator and denominator, then W2 into 1000 divided by M2 into W1, and this m value substitute in equation 1. Then equation delta Tb is equal to Kb into this small m value W2 into 1000 divided by M2 into W1. Suppose how to calculate molar mass? Then M2 is equal to काय होईल फक्त? Kb into W2 into 1000 divided by delta Tb W1. Then remaining part on next lecture.